It's your boy J Will back with another video. A lot of people keep asking me to do another case study direct linking for Clickbank, so that's what we're gonna do today. If you're new to my channel, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get into it. Now we're getting towards the New Year's, and a lot of people have a lot of New Year's resolutions like losing weight. So weight loss products are about to go skyrocket right now. So we're gonna promote a weight loss product today. Name of the product, Lanta Flat Belly Shake. Gonna grab our link, put tracking into it, generate hot link, copy, head over to ClickMagic, new link, paste that in there. Come on, delete this, paste that in there, click ID. Lanta Shake. Now we're gonna head over to Microsoft, create a new campaign. Visit to my website, search ads. Name this Lanta Shake. Gonna put budget 500 a day. Canada, United States, uncheck this, save and go to the next. Pull up our keywords. Lanta Flat Belly Shake, copy this. Some keywords. Order. Buy. Head on over. Paste this. Oh, crap. Grab this. Copy. Paste that in there and put review at the end of it. Gonna have two ads, two ad groups. Supplement. Pills. Go to exact match, phrase match. Bow, grab this. Oh, crap. Select all, copy. Paste that up in here. Name ad group, just gonna name it Shake. Make another ad route. Gonna call this review. We're gonna do Lanta Flat Belly Shake, 90% off today only, limited time offer. Gonna grab our tracking link. Put that in the tracking options. Paste / query string. In device. Paste the link over here. I'm gonna grab this, put this in the mobile in the final URL. So we're gonna go take these descriptions right here. Best discount. I like this description. I used this before. I made a lot of money from it. Paste that in there. Go and grab a second in. Bow. Save that. Copy this to other ad groups. Bow. Edit this and put review. Save. Save and go to next. Here we're gonna start our bid off with $5 per click. Got an advanced setting. Ad distribution, Bing and AOL only. I'm going to do this. I'm going to run this ad for a few days and do a case study on it for you guys. Save. Here we go. Our campaign is complete. I'm going to run this campaign for a few days for you guys. So see how this go. Like, subscribe, comment. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good day.